Quick look at the currencies this morning. Euro, I need to see it stay now below 118.15 ideally, and continue down. I'm still ideally looking for that last fifth down before higher. Otherwise, what we've got is an A of this 2. This was the B, and we've got a 1, 2, and we're going to go 3, 4, 5 up to the probably higher end of this region for the 2. So in order to confirm that we actually are going to get this fifth down, we need to leave that peak in place and then take out the bottom of the B wave here. Otherwise, this would be the 1 of the C of 2. So conversely, coming over and looking at the DXY, there's the invalidation, 93.71. I need to see it stay really above the 93.80 level and then continue up higher next. Cable, if I just whiz this out to the daily chart for a moment. So I think we've got the A wave of this 2 in, and we're in the B back here, and then we'll get the C up. I'm interested in trading that C up. I'm not interested in trading a B wave down within a corrective in cable. And then just coming back to that hourly chart, if this is the A wave in, then I think this is the initial A of the B wave. We're getting an A, B, C, come up a little higher, and then we should start to drop again. So looking for the 132.94 level to remain intact and for us to turn back down probably after a little bit higher. US dollar, Japanese yen. So we've taken this peak out. We've just come up and hit this 123.6 that we didn't quite hit here. This 3 may be here. If we start to come down again, watch 112.45 and then up. But just staying long from the 110 area where we took the entry some weeks back now, looking for 113.74 or higher next in the US dollar, Japanese yen. And then if I just take you out to the 4-hour chart, where am I? Daily chart even. We need to take this 113.18 out, this peak here next. We're a hair's breadth from doing so, but I'd like to see that just push up now. Our target for this trade that we're in here, 115.04, which will give us a nice 500 pip profit in this particular trade. Australian dollar, US dollar, off the low, 5 up, 2 back, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This should have been a 4. It held above the 618, which is fine. I want to see it push up here now, 73.22 next. And I want this full 5 wave structure to the upside and then 2 back before I'm interested in trading this pair to the long side.